Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some chicken salad. Back in the 1990s, I used to work at a Hotel Pierre and they made the best chicken salad. So I'm going to be showing you a basic recipe of how they do it. This is great to use leftover chicken. If you had roast chicken the night before and you have some chicken to use, this is great to use. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Please leave your comments down below. I have roughly about a pound of chicken here that's just been chopped up. In this bowl, I have apples, capers, and celery, all chopped up very fine. I will put the ingredients in the description down below. I have some salt and pepper and some mayonnaise, so it's really pretty easy to make. The combination, apples are a little sweet, capers are a little salty, and celery is a little crunchy. It just makes a very, very, very nice salad. Just take a little time to chop everything up, probably maybe 10 minutes, but it's actually a really, really good recipe. Anyway, so I've taken my chicken salad, I put it on a hard roll, I garnish with just a little bit of salad and some tomato, and lunch is served. I just tried the chicken salad, it's really, really, really delicious. You will love this recipe. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be safe. If you like this video, please leave your comments below, and I'd love to hear from you. Take care. Bye-bye.